So one of my business professions is in the cake and baking supply business, where me and my wife has been doing this for about 8 years now. And one of the most popular services that we offer in our business is what we call custom toppers, custom cutouts, and stuff like that. For years, I've been using a machine that's called the Cricut machine, and it's been limited to what it can do. But I've been having clients asking for more high-end work, more high-end custom work, such as custom engraving, 3D cuts, cutting acrylics, and stuff like that. So it's time for me to step my game up and get a laser printer. So I have the ATEZR L2 24-watt laser engraver. You know what? I'm going to start a series, and I want you to follow me on this journey of me doing custom work from time to time, client work, and my thoughts are on it. So let's go and talk about this new engraver. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the L2 is the latest engraver from a company that's called ATEZR. It's very nice and unique with some great features. So let's go on and talk about it a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing the unboxing and assembling. And you know what? The assembly process didn't take so long. All you have to do is follow the instructions that's included in the box. So the ATEZR L2 is a beautiful design engraver with a size of 410 millimeters by 410 millimeters, with a laser output is between 20 to 24 watts. It has autofocus and manual focus, plus infrared positioning. Also, you can use this engraver online or offline using this a 4.1-inch control terminal. Now, the cutting depth is 20 millimeters for wood and 12 millimeters for acrylic. And you know what? That's for only one pass. So this engraver is very powerful to get the job done with a nice fast speed of 54,000 per minute. Now the L2 has a bunch of safety features such as a child safety lock, flame detection, laser protection cover, and it comes with protective goggles. It is all included in the kit, so that is very good. Now the L2 is compatible with Windows and Mac and mobile devices like iOS or Android. Plus, it has a USB slot for loading up projects. Now, look, the recommended software that I'm using here in this video is Lightburn, but you can use Laser GRBL and the mobile app if you like. I will leave all 3 links down in the description below. So as a business owner that does custom work, the ATEZR L2 is a dream for me. For a very long time, I've been battling using the Cricut design space, which is very limited. So now I can offer high-end custom work such as engraving and cutting acrylics and more. So that is a good thing. Okay, so let's go over the display. As you can see, it's nice, bright, vivid, right? And it attached. Pretty neat, right? It attach, and when you take it off, you can control everything from here. Now, you do have your USB, right? And I pulled out the USB stick. Let's go ahead and put that back in. All right, so if I had something in my USB stick, my thumb drive, I can control everything here without a computer. So let's go through the settings. When you go through these settings, you can set your language. You got your modes, fast, standard, fine. You got your tilt detection, your flame detection, and go to the next one. You got your autofocus and your touch sound, auxiliary positioning, and about. And when you hit engrave, now it'll sync up everything from your USB. Right now, I don't have anything on the USB. You got your software manual and stuff like that on there. But I don't have anything on the USB. But if I had anything on the USB, it'll pop up everything here so I can control it and cut or engrave. All right, guys, so here it is, right? I want to give you guys some live footage of me doing an actual client's job here. Now, this engraver is capable of cutting acrylic, all kinds of different size, glitter paper, and stuff like that, right? Even wood, you could do engraving and stuff like that. So one of the things that I'm doing here with this demonstration is that I have a client that wanted me to do a customized cut for them. And so what I did in Lightburn is I created a customized cut for a client. So what I want to show you guys is the actual in real time how fast this engraver cutter does, right? And as it do the cut, I'm gonna give you guys some commentary. So I have the actual cut ready. I have everything all set up in Lightburn. And one of the things before I even start is that I want to make sure that I frame it to make sure that I have the unit itself ready to go, and it's a little off. So what I do is before I even start, let me move it over a little bit, get it right there. Okay. All right. And let me frame it again to make sure I'm good to go. Now I have this engraver connected via USB Type-C in my computer. So let's go ahead and start, and I'm gonna give you guys some commentary. What I'm doing here is I have this at 100% power, and I have it at, the speed is about 40. So for this custom cut, I'm gonna go 2 passes. So let's go ahead and start. All right. Since it started, let's talk about some stuff. And I'm doing this in real time. Y'all guys get to see this. I got multiple cameras set up here. All right, so what it's doing this thing is cutting out my custom cut. And I set this all up in Lightburn. So y'all guys get to see this in real time. And y'all guys get to see that it doesn't take so long to do cuts and engraving. So I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I absolutely love it. But I'm gonna make multiple videos about this unit here. Because look, the ATEZR is very good. This is a game changer for me. I'm gonna tell you why. I was using the Cricut. The Cricut, I had some issues with it, and I got multiple Cricuts, and I needed to up my game. So this here is upping my game. So let's talk about some safety features here as it's cutting. One of the things that it has is it has a key that you can turn it off, and it will, stop immediately. It has flame protection, right? So if it does detect a flame, if you're not monitoring it, it will cut off by itself. Also, it has limiters on here. So it has a whole lot of different things as far as safety features. So no worries there. Also, it has autofocus, manual focus. You can use a smartphone, which is really nice, by the way. So I've used my my Pixel Fold. I downloaded the app, and I was able to upload a photo, and I was able to engrave a photo in wood. You could do that with your mobile app. Now, when you're using the mobile app, you have to pair it with the unit itself. Now, what's so good about this unit, it has a display on here, a touchscreen display on here is really nice, right? So another thing that you can do, right, is that if you have your project and you want to save it to a thumb drive, it has a slot there that you can connect a thumb drive to, and the unit itself will read the thumb drive, and then you can engrave and cut using thumb drive. So that is a good thing. Now, one of the things that I had to learn is that I had to learn, the speed, I had to learn the power, I had to learn all kinds of different things. So when I'm engraving or when I'm cutting, I need to know, how slow, how fast, how to make my adjustments and stuff like that. That's why I'm going to do a series. The series is going to be very important because y'all guys follow me on this journey as I do these cuts. As I roll with it. Every time I do a client, job, I will turn on the camera and give you guys some commentary on it. So here it is. Now, what I like about Lightburn will tell you how long it would take for this cut to complete. Now, I'm doing 2 passes, 100% power at 40 speed. And I have air assist on, right? And it helps air assist helps so it won't burn, which is nice. Also, you have to be in a well-ventilated area when using these engravers. Not just this engraver, but all engravers. It does have that odor that comes from these engravers. So I'm setting this up in in another part of my home, and so I can't have a whole lot of ventilation. But as of right now, I got this set up in my living room. So I just want y'all guys to know. And we are at 94% completion. As I've been giving you guys commentary, that's how fast this unit is, right? And I want y'all guys to get the full force of it. Without a doubt, it does a very good job. Now, I'm going to show you some stuff here. I'm going to show you how it finished. All right, so we complete this, take it off the grid here, and it falls right off. As you can see, it falls right off. I got it in gold. Take off my glasses. Safety is over. There it is. Look how good that cut did. Beautiful cut. Beautiful cut here, right? Let's look at that cut. This beautiful. Let's get in the light a little bit. Look at that. Just beautiful. Look at that. With air assist, it doesn't burn. So there's no burn in here, right? And it's very sturdy. This is what I like. Now, this is where I came from. Okay, this is the Cricut design space. One of the issues I had with these mats, trying to get it off here, right? You got to use tools and stuff like that. And so, yeah, see that? I just broke it. So this is what I wanted to get away from, doing it on the Cricut design space to something like this. Ah, just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I've done a few of these here for a client. This is all client work here. So I got it in gold, then I got it in silver. And so, yeah, here it is. Look how beautiful, it's nice and sturdy. It cut very well. Look how beautiful that is. I wanted to show you guys some real life footage here of me using this engraver and how fast it was to make this cut. Now I've done engraving in wood, that I showed y'all guys in this video already. I showed y'all guys a lot of stuff here using this machine. It has a whole lot going for it. I like the build material. I like the way it's easy to assemble. Everything about it is very easy. It's simplified, but it has some unique features such as the touchscreen, such as USB internal work that you can transfer from your Lightburn to a thumb drive, and you can use it on the unit itself, which works fantastic. So I've done this here. Now this is wood, okay? So I've done this wood, okay, which came out great. And I've done this, playing around with it, and this came out absolutely marvelous, okay? And I did this, my first cut. This is when I was messing around with it, trying to learn it. And from there, but I've done many client work for the last couple of weeks on this machine, and it's been working fantastic. I will make multiple videos about this because I'm excited to use it. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. But the engraver, that's, man, I mean, my first engraver, my first cutter, in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.